having an excessive ego or self-worth at times could be in our own way and could prevent us from enjoying life the way it is supposed to be. Life is meant to be enjoyed. At times, when we focus so much on the material things, on things that are not very important to our well being, we end up shortcharging ourselves and making our life miserable, which is not something that I believe that most of us want as a human being and even for us as a society as a whole. We want to have and live among our neighbors that are healthy as well, not only not only in terms of health, but in terms of their mental ability, their mind, their mindset, in terms of the way they see things in life. I'm not asking you not to have a different opinion from mine, but setting up yourself to be disappointed over and over again, I think is not the right way to go about life. As far as I'm concerned, it amounts to self-inflicted delusion, and those things should not be encouraged in any shape or form. So this is our show for tonight, and I hope you have been able to get 1 or 2 points from our discussion. We really want to see a situation whereby we have a healthy society of individuals that thinks right, at least for their own personal well-being, people that are able to carry their own personal weight without using or making life difficult for others in order for them to be happy. And I am so serious about this thing, especially when it comes to young people. Focus on being the best version of yourself, that you will be able to attract good and beautiful things into your own life. If you do not do that, life may become very, very hard. If you make your happiness to be dependent on how other people treat you, what other people do for you, or what other people have, there is that possibility of you being in a sorry situation and being disappointed with most things in life. When it comes to interpersonal relationship, when it comes to even making money and working together with other people, when it comes to marriage or going into that long intimate relationship with other people, if you have not worked on yourself, if you have not gotten that healing that you need to do and reshape your mindset to be progressive and positive, you may find a lot of disappointment along the way. Because I repeat, citing that example of that pop your balloon or find love show, with the way that I see a lot of people being focused about the money, height, and everything, a lot of people, in my opinion, are going to be very disappointed in life. And I'm saying it again, that that particular person has a lot of money. If it is not in their lifestyle to be going to five-star hotels, renting a private boat or yacht to go for holidays and everything, that money may just be in their account. You may be in their life and still not be able to enjoy that money. Lifestyle is different from having a lot of money. Some people are very, very rich in terms of liquid cash, but they do not have the lifestyle that some of us may really find interesting. So if it is your focus that that particular person has to have so and so amount before you can be able to go into relationship with them, I will just suggest to you that instead of considering that alone, try a little bit to look into what their lifestyle is. Maybe that is where your focus should be. Because over and over again, like I said at the beginning of the show, I will reiterate it again. Oftentimes, we end up looking for the right things in the wrong place. And I don't think is the best thing. Mr. Obina is back.